Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. I am K. Ganesh Rao, lecturer in accountancy. In previous video we discussed about the systems of accounting. Now I am going to discuss today the basis of accounting. Two bases are there for recording the transactions in the books of account. Number one, cash basis. Number two, accrual basis. Now first one, cash basis. Under this, only cash transactions are to be taken into consideration. The credit transactions not at all recorded. Cash transaction consists of cash receipts and cash payments. That too, receipts received, payments paid only taken into consideration. To be received, to be paid, not to be considered. That is, we are not considering the adjustments. When we are not considering the adjustments, then this basis is said to be a unreliable basis, and that too we are not getting the accurate results. This basis is maintained in non-trading concerns. The non-trading concerns are also known as not for profit making concerns like schools, colleges, clubs, hospitals, charitable machineries. In all those concerns, they are maintaining proper books on the basis of cash basis. You take another one in government departments also they are maintaining their proper books on the basis of cash basis. Lastly, professional peoples like lawyer, doctors, chartered accountants, they are maintaining proper books on the basis of cash basis. Now I am taking the second one, that is accrual basis. Under this, cash as well as credit, both the transactions are to be considered. That is why this basis is said to be a reliable basis, and that too we are getting accurate results. This basis is maintained in almost all business concerns. In business concern, profit or loss of the business is ascertained once in a year. A year consists of 12 months period. This 12 months period is called accounting period, accounting year, financial period, financial year. Every financial year starts from 1st April and ends with 31st March. After completion of a successful 1 year, that is on 31st March, we are going to calculate the profit or loss of the business. At time of calculating the profit or loss of the business, we are considering the total 12 months of expenses. Total 12 months of incomes are to be considered. Whether the expenses paid or not paid is to be considered in the same manner. In case of income, income received, not received, also taken into consideration for the purpose of calculating the profit or loss of the business under accrual basis. Now, we are concluding this topic. In next video, we are going to discuss about what is account and what is the basic rule of accounting. Thank you.